Thursday's precise and important news. Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan condemns the recent attack on the sanctity of the Al-Aqsa Mosque and its worshippers. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Afghanistan strongly condemns the brutal attack by the Israeli forces on the defenseless worshippers in the Al-Aqsa Mosque. The ministry calls this attack a clear violation of international Islamic and humanitarian norms. 2 people arrested for robbery, says Kabul Police Headquarters. Kabul Police Headquarters says the security forces of the 3rd District have arrested 2 people on the charges of robbery. It adds that these persons were stealing mobile phones in different areas of Kabul city and were caught by the security forces, and the files will be handed over to the relevant bodies after investigation. Over 14,000 tons of commercial goods imported to the country. Afghanistan Railway Authority says that 223 wagons weighing 14,382 tons of commercial goods, most of which are food items, imported into the country through the Hiratan-Mazari Sharif railway line. In addition, 22 wagons weighing 1,477 tons of potatoes and talcum powder have been exported abroad. Several Daesh hideouts were targeted in last night's operation. General Directorate of Intelligence says that its forces have conducted operations on the hideouts of Daesh ISKP in the Police District 9th and 11th of Herat city last night, in which at least 13 ISKP insurgents were killed, including an important member of ISKP. He was the one who first laid the foundation of urban explosive attacks for ISKP and carried out bloody attacks. Debt to auction $15 million. The Afghanistan Bank has announced that in order to maintain and stabilize the value of the Afghani currency, it will auction $15 million on Saturday. The bank has asked eligible banks and exchange and money services companies to participate in this tender.